Hey guys, we're back here, SEMA 2024. We're here with Mike Lovero from AutoMeter. And you're a gearhead, you know AutoMeter, but they actually, I want to congratulate you guys first off on winning an award yesterday.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Tell everybody about that.
Absolutely. So, yep, this is our new dash cam. So we won the runner-up for best new mobile electronics product. And basically what this is, it's a 4-channel dash cam. So you have the option to look at both forward, interior on the cabins, on the sides, as well as a rear view camera. So whether you're backing up or just, monitoring cars on the side of you, it's great for incidents. If you get into an accident, you can record exactly what happened. Anytime an incident happens, it'll sense that G interaction and that trigger a recording so that you actually can go back and look at it, report that to the police or to your insurance company so that you know exactly what, happened at that incident. There's also a separate parking kit that's available so you can wire it into the vehicle so it's hardwired into the car. So it's kind of on 24/7. And again, the G meter inside the dash cam, when the vehicle maybe got bumped or hit or something like that when it's parked, it'll actually record that incident so you can go back and look at it at a later time. So there's obviously app integration that's got GPS coordinates and things like that, your routes, what direction you're going, all of that information that's built into GPS is built into the dash cam. So you got the 4 channels that you can use to kind of monitor the vehicle and whatever way that you need to. It's easy to install. It comes with an SD card, so you have plenty of recording capabilities. You can even expand that beyond what it comes with. So yeah, complete setup right out of the box, but the ability to expand on it as well. So yeah, that's our brand new dash cam. Like I said, one runner-up for mobile electronics.
That's awesome. Congrats.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Well deserved. And you have another new product over here.
Yeah, we have some other new stuff too. So on the end here is our Ford tach adapter harness. And basically what this is for Ford applications, you don't really have the option there's no usable tach signal right out of the computer. So what this product is going to do is basically simplify that installation process. Normally what you would have to do is take our tach adapter and you would interrupt the power supply for the coils to basically create a tach signal. So now instead of having to cut and splice into your factory wiring, we've integrated Ford connectors. So simply you just disconnect the Ford harness, you plug this harness right in its place, you connect the tach adapter to your tachometer, and away you go. So basically it takes kind of a couple hour installation down to a couple minutes, and then just very clean, cleans up your installation, your engine bay. You don't have, like I said, cut and splice, void any warranties or anything like that as well. And it's compatible with a wide range of applications. So, basically any Ford motor since 2010 that utilizes this specific connector will be able to have an easy tachometer installation. So if you're driving a shift light, obviously a tachometer or any RPM activated switch, this will simplify that for the.
Very nice. Very nice. Just tell us what else you.
Yeah. So over here, we've got our Envision products. This has been,
Yeah, these are really awesome.
Yeah, this has been kind of our bread and butter here over the last couple of years. Yeah. So when we launched this at SEMA in 2019, we won 2 awards actually. So we had best interior product, and then best engineered, and then best interior. So won some awards for these as well. But Envision, this is beautiful. So you've got all of these are a 12.3-inch LCD screen, and they're all a 6-gauge system. So you're going to get tachometer, speedometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and voltage, all on this high definition screen. So you can see some of these are in demo mode, and some are static. So if you're in one of these static screens, you can come in here and just right on the fly, pick and choose what screen that you want to go with. If you want to do color customization, you can roll that in as well. So if you want to change from, say, green to blue, blue to red, all of this is done, right on the fly. So, and it's a full package solution. So you're going to get your wire harness, your water sender and oil sender. So you basically set those up on the block, but then your tachometer, speedometer, and fuel level are all programmable. So tachometer is 1 to 12 cylinders. Speedometer can work on electronic or GPS. And then fuel level, you're going to have a list of options that you can select from. It's going to be all the most common sending unit types that you just basically pre-select, and then it's ready for your application. So,
very nice.
Yeah, so we're covering about a dozen different direct fit applications at this point. And then we also have our a universal fit. So if you have an application that maybe we don't cover yet, basically with a 5.5 up and down, and then 13.5 left to right cutout, you can put this into literally whatever you want. And because of all the universal nature of all of our products, you could simply add that to pretty much anything. Like I said, 1 to 12 cylinders, electronic speedo, works on just about anything. Fuel level's programmable. So basically, as long as you can get that screen to fit in your vehicle, it'll work on any number of applications.
And it looks like it would fit just about anything.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Without much fabrication, really.
Yep. And then, so we've added some new applications this year. So the latest release here is the 67 to 72 Ford trucks. And then the one we released right before that was the 73 to 79 Ford trucks. That also covers the 78, 79 Ford Broncos. Okay. And then the other newest one is the 68 Chevelle. And so we've had all these available now, and they are all shipping ready to go.
Very nice, very nice. And then, so tell me, what other products might you want to talk about? Anything?
Well, sure. I mean, obviously, AutoMeter's most known for our instrumentation. So, we have something like 60 or 70 different gauge styles.
Right.
Something unique that I think most people don't know that we offer is like officially licensed instrumentation. So, AutoMeter is the only gauge company that has officially licensed rights to do Ford, Chevy, Jeep, Mopar. So it's a really cool kind of badge of honor that we get to wear that other companies don't have licensing rights to. But again, we have all sorts of other styles, street rod styles, kind of like older school, looking gauges. We have more modern LED lit that's through the dials, color changing series like our elite gauges that, you can change the color of the gauge depending on the condition of the instrument. Cold is blue, hot is red, normal is white, however you want to set that up. So yeah, tons of unique products, but the Envision is definitely far and away our most exciting new product.
No doubt about it. So where do we find AutoMeter gauges?
Well, you can get them just about anywhere. I mean, your local speed shop. I mean, certainly all of the the big mail order type companies can get it for you, and you can get it directly from AutoMeter.com. All the different stuff on there, Envision, the tach adapter, everything is all listed up.
That's awesome. Mike, thank you so much. And again, congrats on the award and the previous awards as well. Great company, great people.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.